Hi all, introducing my name is Dian Hermalia Andesta NPM 224111067 Management Class 22. In this video I will discuss about international business material. Definition of international business. International business is a business whose activities are carried out by crossing national borders. Not only in terms of trade, but also in manufacturing and service industries that are developing in various fields such as transportation, tourism, construction, mass communication, advertising, banking, wholesale trade and retail trade. Its evolution from conventional trade to the era of globalization makes business more complex and integrated. Theories of international business. 1. Comparative advantage. Indonesia excels in the textile industry, increasing exports and employment. 2. Product cycle. Japanese electronic products spread to the global market when they enter the mature stage. 3. Cluster industry. Silicon Valley is an example of the world's leading technology industry cluster. Shapes of international business. 1. Export and import. Indonesia actively exports commodities such as palm oil and imports electronics. 2. Licenses and franchises. Foreign franchises such as fast food restaurants are growing rapidly in Indonesia. 3. Foreign direct investment. Large foreign investments in manufacturing and infrastructure are supporting growth. Political and legal environment. 1. Political risk. Nationalization of foreign companies threatens investment in some developing countries. 2. Legal system. Common law and civil law are different, affecting international business contracts. 3. Trade regulation. The WTO and AFTA facilitate free trade and market protection. Economic and cultural environment. 1. Economic system. Capitalism, socialism and blending influence global business policies. 2. Cultural factors. The cultural differences between Indonesia and the US have an impact on marketing strategies. 3. Cultural impact. Culture affects management and customer relationships globally. International market entry strategy. 1. SWOT analysis. Assess strengths and opportunities in international markets. 2. Segmentation, targeting, positioning. Customize products and marketing for specific segments. 3. Entry mode. Choose between direct export, joint venture, or acquisition according to market conditions. International financial management. 1. Foreign exchange rates. Influenced by inflation, interest rates, and political stability. 2. Exchange rate risk. Hedging using forward contracts and options protects the business. 3. Business financing. Sources of funds include banks, capital markets, and foreign investors. Challenges in international business. 1. Challenges in international business. Failure to understand culture leads to marketing mistakes. 2. Trade barriers. Tariffs, quotas, and non-tariff regulations make market access difficult. 3. Supply chain management. Logistical and geopolitical risks need effective mitigation strategies. Stages of starting an international business. Here are the stages to go through in starting an international business. 1. Incidental exports. The first step for a company to start an international business is with incidental exports, where they will be involved in activities to develop the market reach of their products. 2. Active export. Usually, after entrepreneurs carry out their incidental export activities, there will be a cooperative relationship or transactions that can occur continuously. If at first the customer only transacts for one type of goods, it is likely that it can increase by purchasing transactions in large quantities or different types of goods. 3. License selesni. If export activities are active, then the company can sell licensing for the various products they have. At this stage, the manufacturer sells their brand, so that consumers from other countries who buy the product have the right to personally manage the goods for which they have purchased a license. 4. Franchising. The last stage in starting this international business is franchising, which is a development of the license sales mentioned above. At this stage, the production party not only sells trade licenses for their products, but also provides various tools, mix recipes used during the production process, how to produce, quality control of raw materials and production products are in accordance, and how to serve. Determining the intended market share is something that must be done first by business people, before finally starting to make transactions. The wider the market that can be obtained, the more profit the company can get. Conclusion: international business promises great opportunities for Indonesian companies. Digitalization and regional cooperation open up new market access. Strengthen cultural and financial analysis for sustainable global success. Thus the explanation of the material that I can convey. Hopefully friends can understand what I explained. Thank you.